you're a construction business or contractor, Bolster can help you save time by organizing all your customers and projects into your pipeline, both a CRM and project management tool combined. You'll be taken to the pipeline when you first enter the Bolster app. From here, you can view your clients, estimates, projects, and invoices at a glance. The Leads and Clients section of your pipeline is a place to organize all your potential customers before you've begun estimating. You can use the Bolster Lead Form tool to automatically populate this column or manually create clients if you know their details. When you're ready to start estimating for a client, you can simply hover over them in the pipeline and select Build Quote. The Estimates column shows all the estimates you have sent and their progress. You'll be able to see which estimates are incomplete, ready to send out, sent, and viewed by your clients. After your estimates are approved, they are automatically moved into your Booked Projects column, and then into the In Progress column when you have started work on them. You can also manually mark estimates as booked projects and move projects from the Booked Project stage to the In Progress stage if necessary. You'll be able to see projects that you have fully, partially, or never invoiced from this column. The Invoices column allows you to see all of your invoices that have never been sent or ones that are past due. Invoices will automatically be marked as paid if you are using Bolster to accept payments. With so many projects on the go, it can be difficult to find what you're looking for in the pipeline. You can search your pipeline at the top of the screen quickly to find what you were looking for. Search by client if you know their name in the drop-down menu, or even create groups to organize different items in your pipeline together. The three dots menu on the right of your columns allows you to create a new item quickly. There is also a Clean Up button, which helps you archive stale leads, long waiting clients, and long pending quotes within a certain time frame. To gain access to this tool and many other features, get started at bolsterbuilt.com today.